Alright, we are experiencing an extremely crazy weather storm right now. You can see the chimes going back and forth. It's pretty unusual for Southern California. Of course, the peacocks are nowhere to be seen. Let's take a step outside and check it out. Whoa, door just bursted open. Hey, Joe, where do you think you're going? No, no, you stay there. Hey, step back. Back, you. You see peacock shit all over the bricks here. Peacock. Hooey. What do you think, Joe? Pretty crazy, huh? Alright. Enough of this madness. Alright, I spotted a peacock. Oh, there he is. Just chilling out on the neighbor's fence there. Hunkering down. There we go. Hear the wind against the house.